Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. I need your assistance with something real quick. It'll take less than 5 minutes. Help me out. I just need your opinion. You know how I have the outro? I've had it for a while. It's me on the motorcycle, the street glide, and I look at my watch and I go, uh-oh, looks like I have a 5 o'clock shadow. Well, actually, I think I said 4 o'clock shadow because the truth is, I looked at my watch right before that and it was 4 o'clock, and I'm like, okay, I know it's 5 o'clock shadow, but it was 4 o'clock and it's stuck in my head. I can't lie, I had to say 4 o'clock. So I go, uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow, gotta go to ShaveNation.com. And then I zoom away, right? Well, I've had a lot of comments about the outro. A lot of people like it. I think it's pretty cool myself, I like it. But I did make a new one. It's with the Tesla. I say the same thing. This time it was 5 o'clock. I said, looks like I have a 5 o'clock shadow. I hop in the Tesla and I cruise away like, up to 120 or whatever it does. And some people said, yeah, that's really cool. And some people say, don't lose the old outro. It's iconic. They said that and some other things, some other cool things about it. So I want your opinion. Just comment down below, say bike or car, Harley or Tesla. That's all. Just comment down below. I'd like to hear what you have to say about it. It'll be majority rule, Harley or Tesla. Whichever one wins, gets more votes, that's going to be the outro. We're going to leave it up there for a while till something else happens. Maybe I'll do a new one with a Harley, a little updated version. Maybe I'll get on a tractor, a snowplow, a lawnmower, who knows? Send your ideas too. Other things. I can't fly, I don't have a pilot's license, so some other things, whatever else you think I could hop in and drive away after I give the slogan, let me know. All right, thank you very much for watching, and thank you in advance for your assistance and your opinions on the bike car outro. Take a look right now at both of the outros, the Harley and the Tesla. Let me know which one you prefer. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to ShaveNation.com. Have a great shave, have a great day. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 5 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to ShaveNation.com. Thank you very much for watching. Visit ShaveNation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day.